Today, I'm going to be cooking something. Hang on 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Today I'm going to be cooking this breakfast sandwich. I'm actually going to, this is basically my dinner. I know you probably say, you need to eat more than that, but whatever. But this is all I'm having for tonight. I'm not really hungry tonight. It's like 4:09. And I'm going to put this in the microwave. And then let's close it up. And I'm going to set it for 2 minutes. What? Yes, they both are. Let's do that and hit the start. And it will cook for 2 minutes. Once that's done, I'll end the video. Maybe someone else. Okay, this thing is down to about a minute. It's almost done. It's got like 1 minute and 7 seconds left.
Is my Spencer home? Oh, okay, I can be loud. No. Put your iPad in the microwave.
Don't worry about it, it's fine. It's only got 6 seconds left. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Alright. And it's puffed up.
I know,
Well,
but
that's
only
perfect.
puffed up.
Hopefully it's warm. And that is how you cook a breakfast sandwich, and that's for my dinner. Alright, I'll eat that in a little bit. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I shall see you guys next time.